Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. What's up? So I did plan some on Jason for like wake up and see like bare food on the table. I don't know which one to eat first, but that not gonna work out because obviously I'm gonna go on breakfast first. I'm gonna want to have him wait all day, and Jason's a man like this. If him take too long for eat, I'm gonna get gas. So I'm gonna just give him some breakfast. I just wake him up with some breakfast. Nothing too much, just fruits. Because I'm gonna cook all of them food and all of that. So I don't want OD. So I could go in at that. So guys, I just remember some mega need string. So I'm gonna see if I see some string from mommy wedding. I never remember because mother pick up some silver string or some black string. Mommy want them a rose gold, so I don't know how them are gonna look, but as I say, I use them up. Found it. Yes, it gone in. That was hard, but yeah, still there. Guys, I'm not lie, me I try. I don't know at all. I need more stick and I can't find them, but I have to make this work. I know. And then them here now, I don't know where to put them. But they look nice. We'll see. Listen. Kathleen. I can't do no better. I gotta work out something. I need this. Guys, I'm gonna show you what I do. But don't even come at me because I can't decorate one. And two, I don't have no sticky tape. I don't have no two-side tape. The clear tape not work because of the texture of the wall. Somebody have to make style. Alright, this is it. You see that? Trying, can't do no better. Alright guys, I'm gonna come back. So mommy gave us this gift. I don't know if I feel me a theme or a theme alone, but mommy said not to open until his birthday. So I assume it's a theme. And Kimona gave him this gift. He don't know why not yet. And yeah. So that's a two little gift them right there. So him already wear the clothes that Romy gave to him, so that no count. But see it there. Me try, me not in a bad. Guys, in a bad. No, in a bad. See it there. Alright. It's time to set the table with the breakfast. Come in. Before I put nothing on the table, I'm gonna shine it down and make it smell good and nice. Guys, don't be afraid to correct me in the comment section. I don't know if this will stay up or down. I don't know. Guys, me young, remember. Me just 23. Me I try. Never stay up or down. I know at all. I might try to be romantic. So yeah. Let me then stay up. Then I go for the cake. Cake I go right here, so. And then, oh wait, where breakfast I go. Well, I'm gonna figure it out. Alright guys, so I don't know what I'm going to be table setting. It looks so wonderful, but hopefully when everything go on it, it can look more presentable. So sad. The best part about it, the lady had some video clips and send them to me when they just finished make, so we can show you how it did look when she laid the cake. Nah, like she did a good job. Them something here will drop off an hour far, because when we drive come home, it did all over the place. Put them in the middle. So I'm gonna make the tea now and get the fruits them together. I put back this in the fridge because it's not really necessary right now. I just need buy extra stuff because as I tell you now, we're now go on the road today. And you see why I didn't want the entire day? Because this take time, because after I finish unbox everything, I have to take out the garbage them. So time. Guys, I'm not lie, that fruit something here when I try make, it has stressed me out. But I try. So I put banana, orange, melon and grape in there. I now OD, I just put the stuff them when I know say him we eat. When I know JC is a tea man, so I could left out the tea. So guys, some of the stuff them might look like them don't make sense, or you probably ask like, why you never do that instead? One, because I want to give him favorite stuff them, just like how I used to make a cook oxtail and rice and peas, you know, just to give him something nice. Just the same don't want that if you give him like. So I go do baked chicken. It's either baked chicken or stewed chicken, and him like both of them. So I rather just do the bake. But why? Because it's easier. I want that stuff when I wake up and do. I feel like we just blend up the season the chicken and just put it in the oven, and now if you pay no mind, I think that's gonna be easy for me. Just put it right here, so because I don't know if I put it. I want to probably should just put it down here, so because a tea and I'm gonna drink it. I should have just put this right in front of him so he could have eat out of this. But when him come in, make him own decision. So that's how I go on. In the need knife and fork for eat this, so yes. So that's that when him come out and him see the whole setting, then I gonna make him go and enjoy a moment, and I come back into the kitchen, come start the rest of stuff them. So me I go on, me I work with time well. 10 o'clock. Look really nice. Miss Desiree daughter.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So all along me I tell Jesus I don't want him around here, so none at all, so him not come around here. But no, I never remember if I tell him say him to put on something and come. Now the marshmallow them a melt. Where's my birthday boy? Sugar daddy.
Get the orange? Smell orange there, more. More orange.
Yes! You want my orange? Put out the clothes, put out the clothes, put out the clothes.
You
want orange?
Baby, now put on no good clothes. Now,
no, you just need to put on, and you put on your polo shorts and one shirt, one t-shirt. Me know why you out there saying that stuff where you sleep in. Me not go change, guys, because it don't make no sense. Me go in the kitchen. Mega inna. No worry about where I change for. Me not like the red nails them. Nice. I love them. Them just make me look so classy and nice. And I want to see when TMI. And I like it. Wait, you said you that door. But you tell me you get full door.
See how fried before?
No, you're out there.
Yeah, go that nails some.
No, take up the camera. Take up the camera. This is your moment, babe. Guys, I don't want to have to go over to Jace's YouTube channel to see him reaction. Come. Close it. Wait, blindfold him, guys? No, close your eyes, babe. I'm gonna lead you. Good. Don't open until don't open until I say open. Ooh, you hear what I say?
Yeah.
Alright, come. I'm gonna put you to stand up.
Put my stand up.
Yeah, somewhere, but don't open your eyes.
Stand up. See that? Stick tough like a steel.
Stand up right here, sir. So, before you open your eyes, babe, happy birthday. I love you so much. And I really and truly appreciate you. And I intentionally never getting a gift. Alright guys, so I'm back in the kitchen and I have everything under control because I did prep some stuff from last night, like season the chicken for the rasta pasta, and I season the chicken when I go bake. Peas are boiled right now and the potato are boiled as well. So these are the chicken. Oh my god, it smells so good. And these are the chicken breast for the rasta pasta. So yeah. Guys, one thing with me is when I have things to do, I can tell you, I'm not idle. I go make my green season for put on the chicken and put it in the oven and make my sauce. And then I go cut up my vegetables for the rasta pasta. And I already cut up the plantain to fry. So then on the other things, you know, I mean business, you know. Can't bother with the idle business. And the plantain them. So that's how I go in my kitchen. Let's see if the peas done boil. Wow, it done. It finished, man. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wash these and start cut up. And then I'm gonna separate it because I'm gonna use some of them for my green season, for the baked chicken, and then the rest for the rasta pasta. Alright guys, so the stuff them here. These are the stuff them for my green season. So I'm gonna put some pimento seed sets, garlic, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, ginger, and onion. And I'm gonna put some pimento seed as well and a little bit of vinegar because I don't want it to be too runny. And then other stuff to season my rice and peas, and my scallion, my thyme, scotch bonnet, and a piece of sweet pepper. And this is my sweet pepper, the red, the yellow, the green, and scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, and garlic. So yeah. Alright guys, so what I did season the chicken from last night with powder season and little bit of green season. And this morning when I wake up, I said, I'm gonna make some more so I can add it to it today so I can give it like that extra spicy because I didn't put any ginger last night in that green season. So I'm gonna put more pepper, more scallion, and ginger in another green season here. And I didn't add any pimento seed. So I add some another one here this morning. So yeah, it's super spicy now. So I'm gonna make my little sauce and put it over it. I'm not so good with the whole baking thing, but I feel like I can do this. I say guys, I make a piece of sauce. Whoa! So the oven on, I'm gonna cover it up. So see it here. I'm going to cover it up now, put it in the oven, and then make my potato salad and cut up my vegetables. So yeah. Wait. I just took it from the oven and this is how it's looking now. I'm gonna put some more sauce and put it back in the oven. Guys, it's spicy and nice. I taste it already. I taste the sauce and it's spicy. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven now to get the final color and to cook through some more. Whew, guys, I'm so tired, but only the pasta alone left for make. So I'm gonna make the pasta now and fry the plantain, and that's it. I am done. I'm gonna tell you another time. 1:58. I'm on track because I gave him the fruits for breakfast and then this is for the dinner time. I don't know people normally eat dinner. Well, we normally eat dinner early, like them time are with dinner time. But no need to rush. Today's your birthday. Alright guys, so I took out the chicken. Now we're gonna saute this. Alright guys, so these are the chicken. Ooh, came out so good. The rice and the pasta. Plantain, oh my, them perfect. And the vegetable and the potato salad in the fridge. So I'm not gonna show none of that. But guys, don't worry, don't ask me like, Ian, just so much food, and Jason I gonna eat off so much food. I'm gonna bring dinner. Because it's Sunday, I'm going to bring dinner for my mommy and Jason's mommy. And put 2 containers in the fridge for tomorrow. Alright guys, so we just finished bed and I'm going to share some dinner now. The plan was I did to share the dinner and put everything on the table. But that don't make no sense because we're not going to eat so much food. It's going to be waste of food. So I'm going to just share 2 nice plates for me and Jason. Drink some wine, drink some juice, and call it a day. Then after, I should think we're going to bring some food from my mom and Jason's mom. I think we should think. I want to bring some dinner for them. Plus, I want Jason to cut the cake so I can just make one thing and bring some cake to them. So that's it for today. Woo! Dinner is served.
Take a picture. We
And
can
a
get
glass of wine. And I come in with the juice, babe. Don't worry.
take a picture.
Knife and fork setting. Move your hand, babe. Awesome. Tastes good?
What?
Yes. Okay guys, so yeah, we'll drink this. Alright babe, so you don't know. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
I hope you're happy. Are you?
Just a little bit hungry, but otherwise I'm good.
I tried, babe, honestly. I did just want you to feel. I tell you this morning, I did want you to, I want to show you some I love you without me have to tell you. Did I do a good job?
Mm-hmm. 100%.
Guys, I never ask Jason when he might eat, but him honest, he might talk the truth. So yeah, juice, wine, rasta pasta, favorite Sunday dinner. What else? What better way to celebrate a birthday? Quarantine style. You like that?
Tastes good. Wow. People want to know what you enjoy the back of the camera.
No. No, you can never do that.
Wow.
Like-
So this girl I love eat when me I eat, and she love sit and watch.
If you have a trust issues, you will have a problem with me, because when I cook get people, I normally sit and watch them. But I always tell people so them not feel uncomfortable, because if somebody cook give me and them sit down and watch me I go uncomfortable. But I just love sit down and watch people eat me cooking. So no, me not eat. Right now, I'm going to share out some food in some cover dish to bring down, and I'm going to allow Jason to cut him cake. If you want to see the cake and how in the cake look, because anybody post one big cake and a cut it and make me see inside it, I'm mad. So if you want to see how the cake look, go over to Jason's channel, because it's his birthday and him have all of the reaction to everything. So yeah, it was successful. I'm super tired, but I just feel, you feel when what the word? Accomplished? Then what's the word?
For?
I'm getting everything done on time.
You feel like you accomplished something.
Okay.
Made me really and truly feel grateful. And you tell myself to soak in the moment. I'm literally there, I observe and I soak in the moment. Remember, I'm very outspoken, and if you see me not talk, it must mean something. And I really appreciate this, my 28th birthday. I can't believe me again. You know, up in that age. But I can't believe it, but at the same time, it's good for know I'm still there at 28. I mean, enjoy the fruits of my labor, enjoy the fruits of your labor too. That's what I say. I'm glad I could have really spent my birthday with you, you know. So it was an awesome one. It's still awesome coming out to pull the gift them yet same way, but the food, baby, you know, say I live for your cooking, you know. That's what I say. And the whole like preparation, and cause you know me no, even though me not really fussy, you notice me no second glance the balloon them around, because I'm not really that type of guy. Some people call it boring, I swear it go. And some people call it, you know, just chill and nonchalant. And I think I'm a very chill person. Different from what everybody else see when me I try to create excitement.
Yeah, I understand.
You see me? So, trust me, even if you did just cook dinner today, babe, you know what I tell you, say thanks. Just the same like now. So, it's not that all we do not necessary. It's just that me appreciate it even if you never do it. But all of them extra, I appreciate it though. Especially the food and you being here on my birthday. You see me? I say, what we did do the first? What we did do for my birthday the first time we attacked? You remember?
Yes.
What we do?
We didn't go anywhere.
What did we do?
Walk in the scheme and buy box food.
And we did have the same way.
Yeah, and
So-
we sit down up at the primary school and eat it.
Yeah. All of the extra, all the cake that you pay so much for them extra, them. You can't eat off all of them. So I'm just going to tell you, so this big old 28 behind me, the balloons and for the extra people get me gifts, my mother-in-law, you don't know. Kimona, thank you so much. You see me, I said, Lucy, I don't want to forget this. Lucy gave me the clocks long before my birthday.
Yeah.
We worked yesterday in a music video shoot. In my vlog, I probably tell you something I do that, but I can't tell you yet. So, in a music video, I wear the clocks. You see me? Probably wear it today, probably just wear my slippers. But it was a very chill day. You know what he said? The whole I'm get me not really about certain stuff.
Overall, let me tell you guys, some people we see Jason do some stuff in the videos them, and people will say, why Jason face always look like that? And I don't have any problem with you guys commenting that, because when we just start talk, it was a problem for me as well. Me used to say, babe, why your face looks so? Because I'm a jovial person. Me jovial, JC is very jovial as well, but in a show as much on him like how it would a show on me. And that not make him less himself or not make him less nice. That's the word?
Yeah, don't do nothing.
It not make him less than nobody is that, even though actions speak louder than word, but probably if you just get a chance to come around him, if you know him in person, then you will know exactly what me I try to say. But He's a nice person, and I really did offer to do this to him because he always try to make me happy, and we just appreciate that. Cheers to another birthday. Bye guys.